ghish, there's a hadith in which the Prophet ﷺ said, "Man ghashana falaysa minna." Whoever tricks us is not from us. So ghish, a Muslim is not somebody who has this fraud. And it's a very common thing. And what he's saying is you can be fraudulent in a worldly or an otherworldly matter. So in the Sharia, it is haram to sell something without pointing out the ayub. If there's something wrong with the thing you're selling, you can't hide that. If you don't know it, you really don't, like you sell a car and you don't know that the engine is actually in really bad shape. You don't know. But if you know it, you have to tell them. Right? And that is ghish if you don't. And it's a disease in the heart that enables you to do that. That's a disease in the heart. That's where it emanates from. And also, I put in there just in the note that this is certainly prominent in modern advertising, which to me is indicative of the fact that only a diseased heart could do that type of work. And it's also